You have applied for the 100 jobs, but there is a no call return from the employer or any recruiter. Do you know what is the reason? Because you are considering the job portal, you are treating job portal like a beginner, not like an insider. And if you wanted to know how to use that, I'm going to share few hacks in this video, which generally I share it in my paid program, but here these hacks for you. So watch this video until the end. So hello everyone, I'm Tejaswita and I'm career comeback coach. I'm helping a lot of professionals right now, especially women who wanted to restart their career. So what happened in their journey, most of the times they get stuck, especially into the how to preparing the resume, how to apply the jobs, how to create the recruitment strategy to find the right job. And if you are in that particular situation, don't forget to join my community because I'm going to share lot of hacks, lot of insight how you can find suitable job opportunity, your dream job which you're thinking and it's been pending for long time and you're struggling. कैसे मैं job apply करूं? And this video specially for you if you're updating your profile on the job portal, आपको क्या करना है इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें clearly मैं बताने वाली हूँ. So guys, if you're stuck into the any question, ऐसा कोई question है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, how to take the action, what you are supposed to do, then don't forget to write me in the comment section. And simple way, you can email me. My email ID is tejaswita@procareerignition.com. You can email me with your question. You can drop me your contact number also, so I can connect with you and I'll see how can I help you. And that question, regarding that question, I can create video also, so I can share with the other participants also, so they will also understand if someone is getting stuck, how to handle that situation. So let's begin. Let's understand what are those hacks so your profile will get noticeable, not get ghosted on the job portal. So before begin with the hacks which I wanted to give you whenever you are applying on the job portal, let me share one small story. Okay, one of my participant who came back recently and she said like, Tejaswita, I've been applying for the last 3 months, not a single job opportunity I left out on a different job portals, but there are no calls. What I supposed to do? Okay, so what we did, we work on the different we applied different hacks. There is no money we paid, nothing we did it, simple techniques we use, and those techniques I'm going to share it in this. So first technique, have you ever thought like how you are saving your resume on your laptop, and when you are uploading your resume, what name you are giving to your resume? So generally, most of the candidate, what they write, like if they are having a first initial name and then they will say like a Ravi, Minakshi or something like that. But have you ever thought of like if recruiters are downloading your resume, like your name, there are 100 candidates are there. How they will identify? So first hack is whenever you are saving your resume in your desktop, save it with your name and for particular position which you wanted to apply or particular industry. For example, if you'll talk about my example, I will write Tejaswita Kamble dash HR dash recruiter, or whatever my skill set, that prominent skill set which are there, I'll update my resume name according to that. So next time, if recruiter is downloading your profile from the any portal, that will automatically save with your skill set, not only with the name. And that is one of the wonderful hack, because recruiters don't go and update the your profile name. They just save it as it is. But if you're saving with your name and your skill set, whenever they are searching next time, your resume will appear first in the search bar. Now, second hack is about like whenever you're updating your resume on the job portal, in the name section, don't just write the name. Why can't you add your skill set also? So example is like if I'm uploading my resume on the Naukri or Monster, you can write like I can write Tejaswita Kamble dash I'm a career coach dash what are my major skills in the recruitment, talent hunting, then the entrepreneur. Those are skills I will update. So when they are searching on the Naukri or Monster, any job portal, they will not only see your name, but immediately it will see like a what skill set you are having. So this is a hack number 2. Now, how many of you are aware like not a single job portal has a facility you can upload your cover letter. Now, cover letter plays what role? I have already explained into the one of the video. And if you wanted to know more, like you can definitely join my community. I have given the proper explanation what is the difference between the cover letter and the resume and when to, where to, and how to use that. So now when it comes to the hack number 3, why can't you create a small job, a small description about your cover letter, about your resume? So what happened whenever any recruiter they are uploading their resume on the ATS or they are screening your profile on the Naukri, first 4 lines they can view that. So in the first line, if you're mentioning why you have taken the career break, how many years of experience you have, what position you want to apply, and how actively you are searching, like you're immediate joiner or you need a 15 days notice. So what happened, you are giving a right information immediately. They don't need to open the resume, they will just see those 4 lines which is coming upfront, when they without opening a resume, first 4 line which is appearing, your whole history, whole data is showing up. And boom, what happened, recruiters are knowing what exactly you are, and then they will connect with you because what they are looking, you're showing that information on your resume. And small cover letter information on top of your resume, if you'll update that, that will benefit you. So the hack number 3. So hack number 4, if you updated your resume on a different platform, don't go one by one. The hack is here, open your Google, type like that particular position, or you can type like a Naukri, Monster. Here you can play with the Boolean search. So you have to understand how Boolean search are working. So rather than applying, going on the different website on the different job portal, एक ही झटके में आप गूगल पे वो पर्टिकुलर बुलियन सर्च डाल के you will come to know like what are the positions are available on a different job portals. And many time it happens कुछ hidden positions भी होते हैं जो नौकरी पे directly दिखते नहीं है, but you can see on the Google search. So that is very interesting hack which I also observe like a जो नौकरी पे नहीं दिखता है कभी कभी, sometimes it's not showing on the other job portals, यहाँ पे गूगल सर्च में बहुत इजीली समझ में दिख जाता है कि ओ दिस पोजीशन इज आल्सो देयर एंड व्हिच इज सूटेबल फॉर मी, immediately you can apply for that. Now next hack is follow the recruiters. Now in a sense like a follow the recruiter tails. Now most of the time if the position is come from the recruitment agency or HR also, and they will give you the email ID like a so and so XYZ the person, you can drop your resume, you can connect with your resume, send resume on so and so email ID. Now here is a hack. What you can do, immediately search that email ID on the LinkedIn. So you will get to know like that person on which designation, what role this person is handling. Then quietly connect with that person on the LinkedIn, send the polite email. So what will happen, you are just cutting out that race where you are applying through the job portal, you are directly sending your resume to that HR person. So what happened, you are come out from that race, and the chances are very high if you are directly connecting on the LinkedIn, आपकी chances ज़्यादा match करते हैं and that person will connect with you faster. So this is also important hack. If you don't know, use that. Now hack number 6 is about the timing when you need to apply. Now every country has a different working hours. India start with the 9:30, Dubai starts sometimes 8:30. So what happened, whenever recruiters are opening their laptop, first they go and check the fresh resume for that particular role. So right time is like maybe I can talk about in India, apply between 9:30 to 11 o'clock, because recruiters go with the fresh mind and they wanted to see that who are the fresher, who are the new applicant apply for that particular job role. If it is in Dubai, you can start applying from between to 8 to 9:30. So immediately they will see your profile, new applicant. But if you're applying late night, then compiling will happen और आपका resume कहीं तो भी on the 100 or a 50th resume, recruiter may not give the attention. So right time, see the working hours when it is starting in your country, and accordingly you apply that. Now next hack, when it comes to updating the resume, creating the resume, make sure your job description will catch what exactly the job description is mentioning. So for that, what you can do, whenever you're applying any new position, you can uh, find out like what exactly the keywords are mentioned in the job description, and you will copy paste or you will incorporate those words into your resume, especially into the job responsibility. So whenever recruiters are searching and when you're applying for that particular role and when recruiter is searching for that particular role, those keywords should highlight and your resume should come into the first 10 number. So this is a hack. When you are creating your profile, make sure you will see which are the keywords are mentioned into the job description. If you are not comfortable, you can take the help of the chat GPT also by copy pasting job description into the chat GPT, ask which are the major keywords, and then you can pull out that and you update in your resume. So whenever you're applying any job, make sure you will keep updating your resume, keep seeing like what exactly the job description is saying and how, whether it is matching with your job responsibility or not. And here is the key turning point. If keywords are not matching with your job responsibility, your resume will not reflect in the number 10 position when recruiters are searching for that particular role. So guys, if you're watching this video till the end, that means you have passion, but you need some push. And that push, I can give it to you when you will join my community. And why, after watching this video also, if you're creating your notes, that is also best. Follow instructions, what I'm giving, follow the tips. You will see the miraculous difference. And remember, my dear moms, okay, you have already fulfilled all your responsibility. If your mind is telling you now the time has come, I have to go back in the workforce, but your inner voice is stopping you, don't forget to register for my free webinar. I'm going to share a lot of insights, secrets, what happened with the women, how they can overcome, and what kind of a help they needed when they are restarting their career. You already have a power, you just need to flourish that. So I would see you in my webinar. If you're watching this video until the end, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share with the people who don't know these kind of hacks and they are just applying on a different job portals and not receiving any reply. So I'll see you in the next video. Next video is also amazing, one of the interesting topic, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.